How to delete all saved Instagram posts at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all your saved Instagram posts in just few taps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on a profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And now in this section, you can see the option labeled as saved. So simply tap on that. And now here on the saved section, simply tap on all posts. And once you are here, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here simply tap on select. And now select all the posts, and once you have selected it, simply tap on unsave button, and that's it. Now all your saved posts are removed in one go. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.